Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. And this is my first time doing this kind of RAM management test comparison using with the 10 applications which I got right now. As you can see, these are the 10 basic applications which I'm going to use in this video comparing both phones, Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So both phones do have the same 8GB RAM version, but the different Dimensity processor. So Dimensity 1300 in the OnePlus Nord 2T and Dimensity 1200 in the Realme X1 Max. But when it comes to the basic 10 applications, it should not matter that much. So we're going to look at the RAM management. So which phone was able to manage the RAM management pretty good. And while performing this kind of RAM management test, I did use the external RAM capabilities, as you can see exactly. I'm using 8 plus 5GB of RAM expansion right now. You can clearly see between these both phones which is enabled successfully, and right now all the apps are completely clear from the background. And let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application, and let's see which phone can actually open these applications faster and how many applications can be there in the background RAM management. So that's what I'm gonna take a look in this video. So Realme UI versus Oxygen UI, which is present in this OnePlus Nord 2T, which is the kind of slightly close to Realme ColorOS as well, but let's find out in this video regarding the opening speeds and RAM management speeds as well. So both phones are connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network at this moment. So both phones did open the Apple website, and next is the touch sampling rate application. And let me draw some lines. And next is a Flipkart application. So you can see the loading speeds, how the both phones are loading right now. Let's open some random mobile phone and keep them in the background RAM management as well. I'm just trying to keep some random mobile phone in the background RAM management. So let's keep this in the background. Next is a Myntra application. So let's keep some random watch as well. So in every application I'm trying to do some activity as well, so you'll be able to see. So finally is a YouTube application. So is a daily hunt. Is a Facebook, and you can see the loading speeds, how the both phones are actually loading. The Dimensity 1300 is slightly kind of loading faster, just a little bit. That's not a huge difference, but just a little bit. And finally the match is also going to begin very soon, so which I'll definitely watch after recording some videos. But you can see the loading speeds. Let's select some random phone, even here. Yeah, finally, I think all the 10 applications are completely open between these both phones, right? You can see the RAM management. Now we'll try to observe. So can the both phones handle this kind of simple and basic 10 applications in the background RAM management or not? That's what I'm going to see. And this is a quick comparison, friends. I'm trying to show you the back side of the phones as well, Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2T. Now let's take a look at the first application, which is a Chrome application. So this is a Chrome application. So let me do select, and let's see whether this will be in the background RAM management or not. 1, 2, and 3. So it's there in the Realme X1 Max, but it's not there in the OnePlus Nord 2T. Let's go to the again next application, touch sampling rate. It's there in Realme X1 Max, but not in one, as you can see in previous videos. So sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2T, it's keeping the background, sometimes it's not keeping in the background. So it's not that consistent, I did observe in this Nord 2T device. You can see it's taking some time for the loading even as well. So Myntra application got closed. So next is the daily hunt application. So it's there in the background RAM management. Facebook, Instagram is also there, Cricket Score is also there, Amazon application is also there. But overall you can see, friends, quick comparison side by side, you might be able to understand. As you can see, now the OnePlus Nord 2T did keep in the Google Chrome in the background RAM management. You can see this line. Now again the line is not there. So RAM management, you can definitely see the Realme X1 Max, still it's kind of pretty good and opening pretty faster as well when you compare with the OnePlus Nord 2T. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison, and in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, signing off. This is a quick RAM management test only using 10 applications. Next time I'll try to include the games, so then we might be able to understand slightly more as well. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more videos, and bye.